Hello, in this video we're going to solve worked example for resistors in parallel. The circuit diagram in this figure shows 3 resistors with resistances for the first resistor equal to 1 ohm, the second resistor has a resistance of 2 ohm, and the third resistor R3 has a resistance of 6 ohm. They are connected in parallel to a 6-volt battery. The question asks to calculate the current through each resistor. Think of it. Well, we're going to use Ohm's law. The voltage is equal to the resistance multiplied by the current. By rearranging this law, the current is equal to the voltage divided by the resistance. Hence, for the first resistor, I1, moving the first branch, is equal to the voltage V1 divided by the resistance R1. Since the voltage is equal in a parallel connection, then V1, V2, and V3 will be equal to 6 volt, which is the potential difference supplied by the battery. Hence, I1 is equal to 6 volt divided by the resistance of R1, which is equal to 1 ohm. So it's 6 divided by 1 equal to 6 amperes. Moving to I2, which is the current passing in the second branch for the second resistor, I2 is equal to V2 divided by R2, and we have agreed that V2 is equal to the potential difference supplied by the battery since the voltage is equal in a parallel connection, so it's equal to 6 divided by the resistance of the second resistor given by the question. It's equal to 2 ohms. So I2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 gives an answer of 3 amperes. Moving to I3, it's equal to V3 divided by R3, where V3 is the voltage passing across the third branch of this circuit. And we have agreed that the voltage passing in the third branch is equal to the potential difference supplied by the battery. So it's equal to 6 divided by the resistance of the third resistor, which is given as 6 ohms. So I3 is equal to 1 amperes. Moving to the second part, calculate the current through the battery. The total current from the battery in a series connection is equal to the summation of the current passing through each branch in this circuit. I total is equal to I1, the current passing through resistor R1, I2, the current passing through the resistor R2, and I3 is the current passing through the third resistor. And these currents are calculated in the previous part, so the total current is equal to 6 amperes plus 3 amperes plus 1 ampere gives an answer of 10 amperes. So the total current from the battery is equal to 10 amperes. That's all. Thanks for watching.